Welcome to the Explainer. We're diving into the AI gold rush and the race to put a robot right in your home. That's what's at stake in the AI race, and Silicon Valley is ground zero for the whole thing. So first, let's talk about the big picture, this new AI gold rush that's captivated, well, pretty much everyone. To give you an idea of the scale, ChatGPT has 800 million weekly users. That's not a trend, it's a tidal wave.
It all kicked off when ChatGPT went viral, becoming the fastest growing app in history and sparking a global race.
And this isn't just about companies, it's a full-on geopolitical competition, mainly between the US and China. Okay, so the next frontier isn't just on our screens, it's actually moving right into our homes. Startups are pouring billions into robot helpers. But how close are we to that sci-fi dream, really? Let's meet some of the contenders. They all have different ideas on how to teach robots to do our chores. We saw a live demo where a robot, Memo, was asked to just make a cup of coffee. And it said, this whole thing perfectly captures the tension in AI right now, the big promises versus the kind of clumsy reality. Because just a few moments later, the whole demo fell apart, showing that gap between ambition and what's possible today. Right now, these robots are still slow. Their batteries die pretty fast, and yep, they make a lot of mistakes. But, and this is huge, they are learning incredibly fast. One bot cut its laundry time by a whole minute in just 6 weeks. But all this progress has a price. So let's get into the significant and often hidden costs of AI. A key training method is teleoperation. Basically, a human is controlling the robot, which brings up huge privacy questions. And it goes way beyond privacy. There are serious concerns about safety, the environment, and misuse like deepfakes. The warnings get even more serious. Some top minds are worried this could pose an existential risk to humanity. So this all leads to one massive question. As this tech moves at lightning speed, are we actually ready? You have the tech gurus promising a perfect utopia, while lots of experts are screaming for us to be careful. Some people compare it to driverless cars. What was once science fiction is now becoming pretty normal. So the robots are definitely coming. The ultimate question isn't if we can build them, but who's really in control.